Hello traders, welcome back. In the previous lecture, you have learned about the formation and basic characteristics of ascending triangle chart pattern. From this lecture on, we will learn another strong triangle chart pattern, that is the descending triangle pattern. So in this lecture today, I will be talking to you about the basic formation and characteristics of descending triangle pattern. Descending triangle pattern is a very powerful pattern on the price action chart. So let's start mastering awesome this pattern. What is descending triangle pattern? The ascending and descending triangle are the mirror image of each other. Such as this pattern has the opposite characteristics. That means this type of triangle are bearish characteristic. In a bearish market, the descending triangle has a bearish rally are equal to the size of the pattern and bullish rally are descending. When the descending triangle is used to open short position after the price has broken its lower side. It also characterized by a rising upper trend line came to the support area and a flat lower trend line that act as support. This pattern indicates that sellers are more aggressive than buyer as price continue to make lower high. The pattern completes itself when the price break out of the triangle in the direction of overall trend. This triangle pattern has its lower side or horizontal trend line is flat and this trend line acts as a support level. And the upper trend line is descending came to the support level. In this manner, the bottom of this triangle are on the same level and the tops are increasing. This pattern clearly indicates that market moving lower as a lower high. These lows do not have to reach the same price point but should be close to each other. This type of triangle has a bearish character. When the breakout through the lower levels that are used for setting entry point for a short position. Now to trade this descending triangle pattern, place your short trade entry at the closing price at the breakout candle or opening of the next candle. Set your stop loss at least 3 pips above the lower high and the descending triangle candles and set your initial profit target for price this size of stop loss using 1:2 risk and reward ratio model. As you can see the real chart example, this is GBP USD 1 hour chart. Here we see that lower side market is flat and this trend line act as a support and higher point is rising came to the flat support level. It also indicates that sellers are more aggressive than buyer. That means price moves down to make a lower high. These lows do not have to reach the same price but should be close to each other. Anytime it breaks the support level, this triangle has bearish character and then we will be sure that descending triangle formation is formed. We wait for a confirmation candle to signal a breakout. While breakout is confirmed and price move to down, then you can trigger a short trade entry for more profit. And you set the target profit and stop loss with the 1:2 risk and reward ratio model. So you get some sweet profit and enjoy. So not more today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.